Just like heat from the sun, water is very important to life on Earth. Without water, humans would not be able to live. Every day, water travels from the ground to the atmosphere, back to the ground again in a process called the water cycle. In the water cycle, water doesn't just stay a liquid like what you drink out of a bottle. It switches between a liquid and a gas. When the sun shines on lakes, rivers, and plants, a process called evaporation happens. Evaporation is when liquid water changes into a gas called water vapor and rises into the atmosphere. As evaporation happens, the atmosphere becomes more moist, which is needed for clouds and storms to form. As the water vapor rises, it cools down until it reaches a temperature called the dew point. The dew point is the temperature to which water vapor must cool so that it can turn from a gas into a liquid again, which is called condensation. You've seen condensation before if you've placed a cold water bottle outside on a hot day. Water starts dripping down the sides of the bottle because the air just outside the bottle has cooled to the dew point. The same thing happens in the atmosphere, which causes clouds to form. After clouds form, some of the water droplets become too big and too heavy to stay up in the atmosphere. They then fall back down to Earth as rain, or if it's cold, snow, all of which is called precipitation. The process of precipitation brings liquid water back down to Earth from the atmosphere. Sometimes, too much precipitation falls on an area and the water either sits in puddles or flows into lakes and rivers, which is called runoff. Some of this runoff evaporates into the atmosphere, which starts the water cycle all over again. Now you know how important water is to life on Earth and how it goes between the ground and the atmosphere every day.